Parang hirap si Apollo mag-go up grinder. Mag-go up, malayo pa akitin natin. Dun pa tayo sa pinakatuksok. Truck! It's a truck. It's a big truck. Oo ka man sa forest.
Nagbaba ni Smile ikaw. Paano ba ni Smile? Ikaw Eat more.
Baka mamaya lumamig na yan pag nailabas na lahat ng alimuong. Pag nahinga na natin, pag naamoy na natin lahat. Mag-walking in the forest pa naman yan si Apo.
Umulan. Ate, pag you want more pa
Lumamig na. Lumalamig na.
water? Okay po.
Ano yan? 6'7"? 6'7". Wet na yung feet mo? Ha?
My phone, ha? This is my phone.
No. You don't have a phone, baby pa ikaw eh.
Oh, my phone.
Oh, this one na lang, this one. Uy, dito.
Hello, bud. Hello. It's funny, bud.
Oh, careful, may putik.
Good, bud.
Where's
Go.
bird? Uy, careful, wag dyan.
May bud dyan. May bud.
Wag dyan.
Go down.
No.
Down. Let's go down. That I down.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3.
Going down now.
Okay, you can do it.
I'm going down.
Yes, go. 1, 2, 3. Can you do it? You need help?
Yeah. Hey, let's go the bud. Let's go. Let's go the bud.
Where's bird?
And then down.
Nag-fly na. I'll go outside.
Don't go there, ha? Down.
Kasi may
Bye.
putik.
What then?
Dirty na yung shoes mo. Look mo.
Parang dirty shoes on the on.
Same with tatay.
Yeah. We will take. Okay. Go to bahay ko.
Let's go to bahay kubo. Remove natin yung putik.
Okay.
Putik.
It's bahay. Ube. It's bahay kubo.
And putik.
And
Oh, look at that oh. Look at that oh, putik oh. You want more putik? No.
Andyan to yung So may bagong kapatid kang nasa Bulacan? Opo. Magkasama silang bumalik dito. Silang dalawa. Ilan taon yun? Ano po? Sasamahan na ni mama punta dito. Hindi na, mas
It's okay.
lang sila na lang dalawa. Si Charlie Ford. Silang dalawa.
Maria.
Ano lang, bus.
Kayo na sila sa